What's going on, people? Back at it again with another amazing video. Alright guys, today I'm going to talk about the most talked about in the comments is how can I watch my college football. Alright guys, I'm going to be straight up honest with you. Sports news. Sports news is one of the to my opinion, one of the greatest apps to use. There's also live sports. That's also good. And then there's also, honestly, live sports and sports news is pretty much, they're almost alike, but just things will look a little different. But anyways, I'm going to show you how to watch your college football on sports news. Now, that being said, just a little disclaimer. Things that are free as this app, it is buggy. So some of the time it won't work, as in, like, if you want to watch a certain link, it won't come up. But don't freak out. Just choose a different link and it should come up. All right. So I'm going to show you what else you need to get, because there is other things you need to get along with this app to make it work 100%, or to work for you at least. Now, the one is a browser. Okay, I have Puffin browser downloaded onto my Firestick, and by the way, this is the second generation Firestick, but just to let you guys know. Now with the Puffin browser, Puffin TV browser, it's in my FileLink store. I'll show you how you can get that. Okay, and what's nice about it, it's free and it's ad free as well. Also, a mouse toggle. Me personally, I cannot stand it because it's really hard to use on your Firestick, your Firestick remote. But I'll be honest with you, there is a Bluetooth remote you can buy for less than 13 bucks right now. I had the link down below. It should pop up now. This is how it looks, guys. I have it. It's really great. It eliminates the freaking pressing the play button twice on your Fire Stick remote and all that. And by the way, if you don't have this and you just want to do it now, there's a video down below showing you how to use the mouse toggle on your Fire Stick. But like I said, guys, it is annoying. I wish they incorporated a mouse toggle in a Fire Stick, but that won't ever happen. Okay? All right, so the other app you're going to download is the Set Orientation, okay? And the Set Orientation is when you download it, you're going to open it up. I'm going to show you now. And you're going to be prompted like a screen like this. It's going to say Disable. You're going to turn it to Automatic Full. Click that and click OK. And that basically sets this app to fit your screen. Because this app, honestly, is meant for mobile phones, but it can work with your Fire Stick. All right, enough talking. I'm going to show you all the goodies of how you can get it and how you can go. Now, don't have file link. Please look down below in the description. Basically, all the instructions you need, all the videos you need to get, like, the instructions, how to certain things are down below. Okay, like file link and how to use the mouse toggle and how to use, basically the mouse toggle and the file link, how to get it and how to use it. But once you guys have file link, okay, you're going to open the FileLink store up. You're going to enter this code in. This code will give you access to all the apps you need. It is 645-39676. Going to hit continue. Okay. Now, that's just a welcome screen. You can dismiss that. And you're going to be prompted this here. Okay. To make it super easy, just go over to where it says filter results and just write in sports. Just write sports, because I have over 180 apps, and to go through them all, it's just super annoying. Or not annoying, but super tedious. Now, you see how it pulls up the live sports section. Okay, there goes that live sports I was talking about. But we're going to go into sports news. Okay, see that download button? Click that download button, and it's going to turn into a play button. See how it turned to a play button? Now you're going to click that play button, and you're going to click install. But since I already have it, I'm not going to do that. But click install. It should download, and it should say done or open. Okay, hit done, because you're not finished yet where you need to download the other apps. Now, to make it easier again, you just click that, erase that, and write puff or puffin. Let's see here. Let me see if I just write puff. And there goes your Puffin browser. Same deal. click that download button. It's going to turn to a play button. And once it turns to a play button, you're going to click that and then install. Okay? And once you install that, please hit done. Don't open it yet because there's other apps you're going to have to download. Now the mouse toggle, you're going to just write mouse. And like I said, there's two ways you can do this. You can do it with a Firestick remote, which I'll be honest with you, I am not lying to you guys. It sucks. It really sucks. You know what I mean? If it does, using a mouse toggle on the Firestick with the Firestick remote sucks. My personal opinion, please just spend the extra 13 bucks and you see it again. Here goes, pops up. This will save your life. I'm telling you. Link is down below of how to get in on Amazon. It's only, like I said, like 13 bucks. It's really cheap. Okay? But now, back to the mouse toggle app. Now, you see how it says mouse toggle 106 and a mouse toggle 111? Now, if you have a 4K Firestick or a third generation Firestick or Cube or box, whatever, you want to download the 106. And if you have any other Firestick, like the 1 or 2, you could download the 111. Now, let's say you download the 111, it don't work, try to download the 106 and see if that works for you guys. And yeah, see, I wasn't using my my Bluetooth remote, and that's why I turned off. But it's real simple. I have a video down below, like I said, showing you how to, if you do purchase it, how to use it on your Firestick, how to set it up. It's not hard, man. It's super easy to use, and I never look back, honestly. But anyways, you're gonna download the one that you want. You just simply, same deal, click that download button, wait till it turns into a play button. When it turns to a play button, just hit the play button and click install. Once it installs, please hit done. Don't hit open yet. Okay? And then you're going to go, the last one, you're going to get your set orientation. Now you hit set. You're going to go to set, and there goes your set orientation. Same deal, guys. Hit download, or the download button, wait till it turns to a play button, then install it. Then you're going to hit, when it installs and it says done or open, hit done, and that's pretty much it. That's all the apps that we're going to download. So we're going to back this out. Okay. All right. So first thing you want to do, nothing with puffin. That's just so when you open certain links, if it asks for a browser, you're going to click that. Now, the mouse toggle. All right. I'm going to show you guys how you can turn it on with your Firestick remote. So you're going to go into your app. Okay. Oh, and by the way, if you're asking, well, how did these come up here on your home screen and you don't have it? Simple. Go to see all from your left side, or go all the way over to the right where it says see all. Click it. Any app that you download, it's going to be on the bottom here. And you're going to click the hamburger or the right button to the house button on your Firestick remote. And you see how it says move to front? Click move to front. And there you go. Then you just hit the house button on your Firestick remote, and you see how it pulls it to the front. That's how you get these apps to the home screen. But anyways, now I'm going to open up my mouse toggle. Okay. See how it says status, and it's just a line? It's going to say started. But I'm going to show you how this works. You turn it off. Okay. You see also, too, it says Firestick 2. That's because it's the version 2 or generation 2, and I have the 111 downloaded. Now, you see how I turned it off from here? See how it says stop? I can simply turn that on. Okay. Give it a second. And it should say started. Okay. Give it a time. See? Now, there you go. It takes a little time, but it started. See how it says started? That's awesome. But now let's say that doesn't work for you. What you can do, okay, go up over here to your settings in your Firestick. Then you're going to go over to My Fire TV. Okay. Then you're going to open up developers option. You're going to turn this off, right? And turn that back on. Okay. Just for giggles, just turn unknown sources off and turn that back on. Okay. So now we're going to back out. Then we're going to go to the home screen to our mouse toggle. Okay. Turn that on. And you see it reset itself, And now it's trying to start up. Give it a second. It should. And there you go. It started right up. All right. Then the very last app you're going to set up is your set orientation. Now, once you open it for the first time, you're going to see it say disable. Just go down to automatic full and then go down to OK. And that's pretty much it. Now, after all that, we're going to finally open sports news. All right. Open up sports news. Now, there's two ways you can do this with the mouse toggle. You can use your Firestick remote, which all you have to do is press play twice on your remote, and you'll see how it comes up. I'm not going to use it in this tutorial. I'm going to use my Bluetooth remote, okay? So let me turn this on. Give it a second here. There we go. But what's nice about this, with this app, there we go, we got it connected. What's nice about this app, you see how you got the little gold indication on the bottom? What's nice about it is that it's halfway Firestick compatible. What you're going to do is go to the far right there, that hamburger, click it, and then it's going to pull up that screen right there. And just all you have to do from here is just click up, and you see how you have your NCAAF. That's your college football, guys. Okay? Before I get into that, once in a while, if you're using this app a lot, just clear the cache once in a while. But there you go, NCAA, click that, give it a second, and there you go. You got your college football. Now, there's no games on now. I know, guys, you're going to be like, well, how do we know it works? Well, I'm going to show you real quick. Let's go into the Hurricanes and Gators. It doesn't start till 7 o'clock. Where I'm at, it actually doesn't start in 5 minutes, but I'm not going to stretch this video out for that. But I'm just going to show you. You click the link. There you go. You're going to, or click the picture tab, whatever you want to call it. Now, this is where your mouse toggle comes to play. If you have a Firestick remote, press play twice on your remote, and it should turn on. But since I'm using my mouse toggle, or my mouse remote, or whatever you want to call it, my Bluetooth remote, you see how super easy it is to use right here? What you're going to do is, when the game comes on, you click the link. So I'm going to click ESPN, which I know is not playing, but I just want to show you guys it works. Now, you may see it blur out in obvious reasons, but I blurred it out purposely. Now, you see how it turns? You got that play button. You're going to click that there with your Firestick. All right. Sometimes you have to highlight it. You got to do it. There you go. You just got to highlight it sometimes, and it'll come up. And Avengers! There you go. Now you want to go to full screen. Click over to this, that, and then you got yourself full screen. Okay? So
get Avengers
I'm going to back out of this,
digital today.
Back out of that, and there you go, guys. Okay? Now, I know you guys are going to be like, well, come on, man, I don't see the game. Trust me, it works pretty good. So give it a try. Let me know your feelings about it. All right? And like I said, please look down below in the description, and you'll see for the remote, I highly suggest the Bluetooth remote to use the mouse toggle. It's less of a headache, and it will work for your Firestick. Because sometimes if you try to use it on your Firestick remote, sometimes it will not work. I don't know. I'll be honest with you. Out of 10 Firesticks that I tried, 8 or 9 of them work. Well, actually 8 of them work, and the 2 don't work. I have there's like no rhyme or reason. I honestly don't know. My opinion, just spend the 13 bucks, pick it up from Amazon, and it's really cheap for and you can use it on any pretty much Bluetooth device that, you know what I mean? Because I use it also for my TV. I have a smart TV that I use this on. But anyways, enough talking. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share. Also, please check me out on Facebook, Telegram, and Twitter. All that good information is down below. Also, if you want to know about a great IPTV service, check out my service. It's Jojos Amazing TV. All that is down below. If you want to know more about anything, just leave me a message, and I'll try to answer it in a timely fashion. Hope you guys enjoyed. Have a great evening.